This is KD9PLD. Let's talk about my new IC-8 integrated controller from Hamation. This is a band decoder for my 8-pack 2x8 switch that's also made by Hamation. So what you're seeing here is 116 meters, and I'm actually using my receive antenna, hence the preamp. But you can see that my transmit antenna is antenna 1, it's on 116 meters, and when I switch to 80, you see that it goes to 80 meters, and antenna 5, which is my in-fed half wave, and still on the receive antenna. Switch over here to 40, goes to antenna 2, which is a dipole. You can see that it reads 40. So let's take this a bit further. I have two radios. I also have, right here next to me, a 7300. So we're kind of setting up almost an SO2R situation here. So to control it, since I don't have a band decoder or anything, I'm gonna come up here. It's not a great angle, but you can see here back on the 101, you can see it switches up here on the screen too. Okay, so now I want to go to 40 meters on antenna on radio 2. Select radio 2. See there's no antenna selected. I click 40. Now what you're going to notice is a red light here. And red light means radio 2, green light means radio 1. Pan back over here. Now you can see we have signal on the 7300. So in conclusion, I'm using the band decoder and these manual switches. I can also take it out of auto and manually switch if I want. I just can't go to the same one. Or I can go auto and it'll auto detect the band. So that's my primary radio. If I am doing an SO2R situation, then I will have to manually select on the 7300 through Control Center on my computer. The only issue I have found so far, and I've had great customer service through Hamation, is when I go to 60 meters, and I've selected this in my, let me turn radio 2 off. I've selected this in my programming, but it doesn't go to 60. It goes to 40. So I think this is actually a Yaesu issue, and it doesn't select the correct antenna. So it selects, it defaults to the 40 meter antenna because it thinks it's on 40 meters. So I think this is a Yaesu issue with the band decoding. I'm not using the RS-232 in the back. I'm using the linear plug, which is a DB15. So I think that might be my issue. I might make up a different cable and run RS-232. See if that works. Not a huge deal. I don't run 60 meter on this radio. I do on the 7300, so that's not an issue at all. Anyway, thanks for watching. KD9PLD.